Have you ever wondered what bariatric coaching actually looks like? Hi, beautiful friends. I'm Chelsea, your Bari godmother, debuting a new short haircut. How do we feel about this bob? As well as being the owner of this new short haircut that I'm not quite used to yet, I am also the coach behind BariTale coaching. If you've ever wondered what bariatric coaching actually looks like, what happens inside my programs like Mindset Mastery, how do group coaching sessions actually work, what kind of results are my clients getting, consider this video your behind the scenes sneak peek. Because after weight loss surgery, we know it's not just about losing the weight. It's about learning what this new lifestyle entails, how to think, act, and eat so that you can be the most successful version of yourself. After gastric sleeve or bypass surgery, the physical changes happen very quickly, but the mental side, this is where most women feel lost. You will have a plan, a phased, very specific plan for eating, but the old habits, the emotional side that comes with eating, but also the changes that are going on in your body, this is where coaching can bridge the gap. With surgery, you have entered into an irreversible new lifestyle, and that can feel super overwhelming. Mindset Mastery is my only current digital course, and this course came about as a result of amazing women like you wanting to be coached and me not having the bandwidth to deliver all of my material one-on-one. So Mindset Mastery is a self-paced digital course that comes with 4 live coaching sessions that are small group. So you do get the personal attention that you need. In Mindset Mastery, we focus on retraining your thoughts, so that way you can build sustainable habits that last far beyond the length of the coursework, that we can rebuild your confidence, get you to stop fearing weight regain because you'll have a plan after completing the course, and really hone in, really curate a life that you love and feel like you are not just surviving in, but you're thriving in. I want you to fall in love with your post-op life and know that this life is not a diet. This is a mindset transformation, and that is what is going to keep your weight off for life. Let's pull back the curtain, shall we? So you can see what it looks like inside these programs with me. When you join Mindset Mastery, you get 4 live coaching sessions with me. Each are an hour long. The goal of these coaching sessions is to build on each other and also align with the 4 main modules inside Mindset Mastery. As a teacher of 16 years, one of my specialties and true passions is developing curriculum that aligns with each other and feels like you are closing the loop with every single lesson. And that's exactly what Mindset Mastery does. If I do say so myself, module number 1's goal is to get you to deal with, to identify, and eventually release your limiting beliefs. It's heavy but necessary work. Transitioning into module number 2, which rebuilds your identity off of your released limiting beliefs, and clarifying your 5-year you vision cast, which is one of my very favorite parts of this entire program. And then in module number 3, you are going to learn the art of failure-proofing goal setting. And in module number 4, you are packaging all of this work that you've done together to develop new coping mechanisms that are not food-centric. And because right now, in these last 90 days, we are very focused on how to thrive in the upcoming busyness of the holiday season. These 4 live components will also deal with frequent stressors that pop up during the holidays, especially when you're newly post-op. So we'll combine module alignment with practical tactical strategies of how to handle these last 90 days of the year. Every hour-long live session also includes a Q&A with me. You can either send your questions in advance or ask them during the live coaching sessions so I can answer them right alongside you, so that way you are getting what you need in the moment. These sessions are never about perfection. They're always about your progress, celebrating your non-scale victories, building a sisterhood of women who get it. I want you to walk away from every single live session feeling seen, feeling supported, and feeling like you have what you need to support your transformation. I sent out a Google form to my Mindset Mastery students, those who have completed all 4 modules, as well as some of my clients, and asked them about their transformation because of this work. My computer is right here, and I would love to read to you some of these testimonials. I finally stopped fearing regain and started trusting myself again. Can you imagine what it feels like to fully trust in the decisions and intuition that you make and have? It's a sense of peace and calmness that I think is very underrated in how we rebuild our confidence. This was the missing piece after my gastric sleeve. I feel free. That's exactly how I felt too. I felt like after I did all of the work for myself, that I gained this quiet in my mind because it was no longer swirling with food noise. I thought I was broken. Now I realize I just needed tools. And I'm so happy that this course could be the tools that she needed. These women didn't just lose weight. That's also a side effect of taking this course. They gained self-belief, they gained balance and joy back into their lives. Mindset work isn't fluff. It is the foundation of the lasting results that you want to see after surgery. If you're watching this and thinking, okay, I need this kind of support too, then I'd love to invite you to join me inside Mindset Mastery. I do only have a certain amount of seats available in this particular round of Mindset Mastery because I want to make sure that the small groups stay small. Should you choose to sign up, you're going to get access to the full digital course, which is 14 videos and a variety of PDFs to support you through your learning. You also have lifetime access to this course, so whenever I update it, and I've done that in several iterations with new videos, new PDFs, etc., you will get those automatically for this one-time payment. And of course, built within the payment too are the 4 coaching sessions, 4 hours of coaching with me and you. You can find all of the details below. Or if you are here when this video is going live, then I do have one free masterclass still available tomorrow, which will give you all of the same background information, but I'll also do some live Q&A. I'll do some coaching with you one-on-one while we're there, so you can join. I will leave that in the description box too. It's kind of like a preview of what the mindset coaching looks like, so you get a little sneak peek before you buy. Remember, my love, you did not come this far to settle. The goal is to get you to shine and thrive, and I hope that I get to be a person along your journey to help you do just that. If this video inspired you, will you please hit that like button? Please subscribe. I know that you're watching and you're not yet a part of our very free BariTale coaching community where weekly or multiple weekly videos come out. I upload a short every single day about weight loss surgery, travel, mamahood, lifestyle. We're doing it all. I would love to know in the comments, what is one area of your weight loss surgery journey that you want more support for? Until Sunday, I will see you then. Keep glowing, my friend. I love you, and I'm very excited to welcome you into Mindset Mastery. Goodbye, my friend.